a wonderful Sunday to spend in fresh air light.
To be outdoors, it's a wonderful experience on this winter morning.
I really love the climate here. It's so pleasant. So here there are many activities and there are games, so you can plant seedlings and saplings.
This is a wonderful initiative, the Junk Art Festival. So my kids have come out today and we've all enjoyed from the t-shirt recycling. So I think it's a wonderful initiative from Mumbai and hope that we'll see even more people involved in the future.
I guess the kids also had a unique experience because in this day and age when they are completely hooked onto the electronic gadgets, to bring them out in the open and play with nature and try out different stuff, creative, to unleash their creative side of it. It's good. They should be made aware of the environment in which they live, and I think this was a great start for them. We also like this musical event where making music out of the junk was another experience.
To give a message to small children, it's difficult if we just stick to facts and figures and all that, but they understand better if it is something funny or if it is something to do with a toy, which looks like a toy or puppet.
So the puppet show was a great, example of explaining to them how things should not be thrown into the water and how recycling is possible.
See, we didn't have any kind of such activities at our age, when we were of this age. So this is really nice. I mean, this is like the need of the hour.
We'll do all this at home so we don't waste any plastic like for the friendship bands and all.
I think overall Grooming Babies has always been coming up with wonderful events.